Assalamu alaikum all students. I'm Razia from BHSS kupwara, and today our topic is stress management techniques. In previous lecture we studied about stress, what are the major sources of stress and how some people prevent it, and now we are going to discuss some stress management techniques which people can learn to manage stress and lead to a happier and healthier life. So first of all, people they must keep a positive attitude because it's very important to avoid stress, and we must accept that there are events that cannot be controlled, that are not in our control. Okay, if we have stress, then we can only avoid it, we can only prevent it. So we must learn and practice some relaxation techniques, like we must go for some meditation, we must go for yoga, or we must exercise regularly, which will obviously which will reduce our stress, and we must eat healthy and well balanced diet. And I can say that we must practice these things in order to avoid our stress. And for example, I can say what are the benefits of meditation. Meditation is a practice which has focused concentration. That's it brings yourself back to the moment over and over again. And it's because it reduces the areas of anxiety, depression, chronic pain, heart disease, high blood pressure, etc. So it's better to go for meditation in order to avoid the stress. And we must go for some other practice, that is yoga. Yoga is such it's a relaxation technique which is used to help which helps us to relieve stress, and it always gives us the relaxation, and it also promotes better sleep and increased focus. And third one is we must go for exercise, because exercise is a bodily activity that enhances or maintains physical fitness, and it also maintains overall health and wellness of a body. So these are the techniques which everyone must practice in order to avoid stress. So we must go so we'll go for next topic now, that is enjoying or going to vacations and holidays with friends and family. It's because vacations are a chance to take a break from work. We must take some vacations to see the world, enjoy time with our family and friends to avoid, because it will also relieve our stress. So there are I can say there are various scientific reasons why we must take vacations. So I'll only discuss here three scientific reasons that vacations are good for your health. First one is stress reduction, because vacations work to reduce stress by removing people from activities and environments that they associate with stress and anxiety. And that means in order to take vacations, these are very important, very much beneficial to reduce the stress. Second one is heart disease prevention, because a study shows that men is at risk for heart disease who skipped vacations for 5 consecutive years. Okay, and the risk is 30% more likely to suffer from heart attack than those who took at least a week off each year. That means a person must take must take 3 to 4 days, or I can say a week vacation to relieve the stress, because a person who doesn't take any vacation for consecutive for consecutive 5 years, he has much more chances of having heart disease. And third one is better sleep, because restless nights and disrupted sleep can or common complaints. So lack of sleep leads to less focus and less alertness. So take time off and learn to reset your sleep patterns. So now there is another one topic that is related to stress, that is taking nature walks. There are several reasons why some people in particular can benefit from walking in nature. It's because there are some benefits of taking nature walks. First one is the chance to go somewhere quiet, like the woods or the river. Walk provides relief from noise that taxes our sensitive nerves. And second benefit is, when we spend time alone, we are rewarded with peace. It's reality. So it's necessary as much as food and water. It is something we need on regular basis. Okay. Third one is natural element like plants, trees, water, and sunlight have been said to absorb negative energy, because they have the ability to absorb the negative energy. So then we can say perhaps we feel calmer around them, simply because they are part of living world, and we feel connected to them. And there is another one benefit, that is walking provides a significant benefit because it helps to relieve stress. Okay. There is another one benefit, that is, according to recent research, walking through green spaces can put the brain into meditative state. So we must practice these things in order to avoid stress. If we have stress in life, we must avoid it by practicing some good techniques. We must not follow some bad habits in order to relieve the stress. For example, some people use pills to relieve the stress. Some people take much more cigarettes to relieve the stress, but they are not good habits, because they ruin the health. So it's better to go for good techniques in order to relieve the stress. So it's all about stress today, and from tomorrow we'll start with some next topic. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.